looks like I gotta take the brake hose bracket off first before I can drop the strut down and the fork that connects to the low control arm. So I'm gonna start taking all the miscellaneous stuff apart so I can drop the strut down. All right, I went ahead and started on it, trying to speed this video up. So this is what I went ahead and did, and I don't know if you can see this. Went ahead and dislocated the fork for the strut right there. I already unbolted the bottom of it there. It drops down right there. Undid the brake line bracket right here. So there's nothing holding this strut up but the two bolts up top right here. So as soon as I take these two off right here, that strut should just come right down. And that's pretty much all it is to it. Drop that down. Yes, I will be replacing the camber arms right here with aftermarket camber kit. I'm just putting the suspension on for right now. So yeah, so I'll keep going, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, got the first strut out. You can see there, it is gone. Pretty easy, pretty simple. There it is right there. Let's compare real quick. Coilovers versus the OEM stuff. Put these up side by side, and you can see definitely coilovers are a lot shorter. Well, it could be longer. If I just uncoil this bottom shaft here, I can gain another maybe 2 to 3 inches, but that's not the specified specs of the coilovers if you want to lower them. So these are the default settings here. So yeah, so they're naturally going to be shorter than the OEM ones. So for me, back to work. All right, so I am done with the driver front. Show you what that looks like. There it is. Pretty straightforward to install. I'll try to let you guys see how I'm taking this off on the passenger side. So bear with me here. So yeah, I'll try to do this side for you real quick, and so you can see how it goes. And for people that's haven't done this before, using a 17 millimeter socket and wrench, 17, 14, and you're gonna need a 12 to get the bracket, the brake line bracket off. You're gonna need a 12 millimeter for those bolts. Got the brake line brackets off, so now there's a bolt on top of the fork here. stuck, so I have to spray some lubricant in here so I can get this one out. Okay, that took a while to get this side off, this lower bolt from the lower control arm. It was stuck for some reason. I don't know, it was just stuck. Maybe I had the wrong angle to get the lower arm level more, so the bolt, I can push the bolt out. So got it out. Now I can continue to drop the strut down from the 2 bolts up top, and that'll be it for this side here. And looks like my battery is about to run out, so I might have to catch you guys next time. So we'll keep going until it dies. All right, so I loosen these up top. So I'm just gonna use my power wrench. All right, so I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm gonna have to use both my hands so I can catch it when it drops out the bottom. And there we go. That one's out. So I can put the new coilover in, and I'm gonna have to cut it short because my battery literally is about to die on this camera. So I'll finish this up and then I'll move to the rears. Stay tuned, guys. Hey, welcome back to Vtec Garage. I think last video we left off, I was installing the coilovers on the hatchback. Man, I ran into a couple of problems, just bolts being kind of seized a little bit, so I had to finesse it and get a couple of them out to swap in the coilovers. So it took me all night to do it. I thought it was going to take me maybe about 2, maybe 3 hours, but I was working late into the night last night getting this thing done, so didn't get all that footage for you guys. Sorry about that, but I'm done now. I did have to raise the suspension up. I had it set too low when I initially put it on, so I raised it up to the ride height I like. So there it is. So they are on there. The car is now lowered. The rears I'm gonna still bring down just a tad bit, a little bit too high, but the front is perfect, so I like it. So yeah, I did that. Went ahead and set the dampers. Take these little covers off here. They give you a little tool. Let me get that tool for you. Get this little tool here. You put it inside here at the top, and you're able to move it, click it. This is a 16-way adjustable, and they say go 8 clicks from hard to soft to put it in the middle, because from factory they come all the way hard, clocked all the way hard. So I went ahead and did that to all 4 coilovers, so that's set. So should be good to go. So I'm gonna give a little test drive just to get a feel of how hard or soft it feels, and that's pretty much it for now. So that'll wrap it up for just short video, just updating you guys for what happened last night. It was just a pain in the ass. So sorry again, I couldn't get that footage for you, but I'm just happy it's done. It's on the car and on to the next stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.